Direct from the financial markets, here are the most recent headlines. Brought to you by Miles Capital.
Hello everybody, welcome to Miles Financial News. I'm Aksa and today we will be bringing you the latest updates from across the globe. Join us as we explore the most significant stories of the day from global financial markets to international events. So let's delve into the headlines. The USD CHF currency pair continues to face selling pressure, trading near 0.8405 during early European trading hours. The persistent dovish remarks from US Federal Reserve officials have exerted downward pressure on the USD. Meanwhile, the USD CAD pair has slipped to approximately 1.3460 during the Asian session on Thursday. The loonie is struggling as the USD falters, failing to sustain Wednesday's recovery. The USD index, which measures the greenback against 6 major currencies, has edged lower from 101.18, retreating from a recent annual low of 100.50. The USD is expected to remain volatile as investors await the US core personal consumption expenditure price index data for July set for release on Friday. Market expectations anticipate a rise in year-on-year core inflation 2.7% up from 2.6% in June, with a steady monthly increase of 0.2%. This data is anticipated to play a crucial role in shaping market speculation regarding the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decision for September. Additionally, the Swiss KOF leading indicator for August and Tokyo core CPI year-on-year figures are also scheduled for release on Friday, adding further insights into global economic conditions. And that wraps up our financial news coverage for today. Join us again tomorrow for the latest updates and analysis on market movements and economic developments. This is Aksa signing off.